to everybody how it actually works. Oh, look at this. This
awesome.
is this is an upgrade for the power cell. They came up with the outdoor enclosure. We've been utilizing this, Craig. It's been working out great. A lot more options. Do we pour a little concrete pad for that too?
Yep. Oh yeah. I do a little
Sweet.
pad for this.
So
What a great install. What a great idea. It looked like the main service panel, the inverter was in an area with a lot of sun, and it looks like you guys went and installed the battery in an area that'd be a little cooler. So we're extending the longevity of the batteries. We're making sure that these batteries are going to last longer for homeowners. And it's awesome to see that you guys did that extra little bit of detail, that extra little piece of security for your homeowner. That's awesome.
No, we actually care, man. That's, real talk from us. One thing, Craig, we're serious about is just keeping our promises. We're here to exist for 1,000 years. This organization has a 1,000-year mission. So that we don't get to be around for 1,000 years if we're not keeping our promises. So, understanding what a homeowner actually has on their hands by way of their system, like we get to know that and then make all the right choices so that our promises are secured. Always going a little extra mile. Got a little concrete pad out there to hold this enclosure nice and tight for them.
Now I gotta say a quick story about Westhaven Power's first power cell install. So I was out.
God,
it was out in the. No, it's great.
Okay.
It was out in the North Bay. Myself and Noah, our sales apps engineer, was out there. It was your guys' first whole home. It was actually our first whole home system in California. That was being installed. So you guys were the first one to do that. And so I remember pulling up, and I'm not even kidding. You guys had a tripod, a camera. You guys had a little mic. It was totally set up. So we were initially going out there to help you guys, right? Make sure the install went smoothly. And they recorded everything. They asked a ton of questions. They made sure the camera, when myself or Noah were pointing out different things, that were recording it, and they were recording it for the rest of the team.
Yeah.
Westhaven Power is so busy. They do a lot of installs. And so instead of having everybody, and how you jump on the job site and delay projects, they just filmed it, and they filmed it really well, and they got all the questions. And so I'm not surprised to see Jason and crew out there doing clean installs. You guys took the effort. You guys went out there and did the training. You guys made a whole training platform. Super exciting, man. Sometimes I show up to job sites. You got, Chuck in a truck who's like, I don't know.
Scary, man.
Did you read the manual? What's the manual? And you guys were super prepared. So kudos to that. But I just had to throw that story out. The only time I've ever walked on a production set, aka an install. It was a trip, man.
That's cool. Well, that's a lean move there. We want to capture everything from, and like you said, it's like, well, we've got a lot of electricians, so, having 40, 50 guys show up on one job site is kind of an interruption to the job site, a little intimidating for a homeowner, show up with an army, literally, on their site. But then, the message doesn't get delivered as well either, so we kind of learned that move the hard way. But that's why we film, and then we, bake it all down. We have our own training program and make sure, we know what we're doing.